Hello, in this video we will continue from our last tutorial, which is we have loaded the combo box, and by selecting the data from the combo box we will show the selected data in respective fields in the form. So let's begin. Basically what you need to do is double click the combo box and you will get this code combo box change, and once combo box is changed you would want to populate the text box based on the selected data of the combo box. So the code basically remains the same, so we can copy the code, copy, we can minimize this, and in selected index change make some space here and paste the codes. So yeah, basically the code says everything will be same. It says select all data from my table. We write where first name is equals to double, so we can type literal text here, but we need data, not literal data but data from selected data from our combo box. So to do that we once again do double inverted commas, double plus, inside double plus we type combo box 1 dot text. This is what we need. So this will now select data select only the row from the database where combo box based on data from combo box. So once it does that, we want to populate all three of our text boxes based on the data. So we don't need a while loop, but we still need to do a reader dot read method. So data can be read, and we don't need to do anything in combo box. We need to probably text box 1 dot text equals reader, and then open bracket, inverted commas, paste name field from our database. This is database field. Right, oops, what is this? Let's close this. Oh sorry, like that, we do that, and then we do toString method, so it's string and doesn't create any problems, like so. So now it will basically fill the first text box. We need to do the same thing for the second text box and the third text box, so we can just copy paste, rename respectively text box 2, text box 3. This first name would be last name, and this should be phone number. Remember, for phone number. Right, let's see if it works. We run database, so we populate the box and then we select data. Yes, simple as that. Very simple. Now since we have time in this video, one more thing I would like to show is, see, if there is some runtime error in your program and your program collapses, like saying don't send, that it will never get to close the connection. What I'm saying is, for example, if say I write field names blah blah blah, this field is not in the database. So when I run the program, it will run fine, and then I will load the combo box, they will load. Now when I select it, to look for that field and throw an error, see, saying the field doesn't exist. Now in normal case, once you deploy, setup and install program on somebody else's computer, it will say don't send error or something, the Microsoft error, and the program will collapse, the shutdown, or probably stuff freeze, I don't know. But what the problem is, this code will never get executed. So even if I stop the program now and I can go to my database, my folder, see, the database still open, you can see by this lock icon. So if this happens when you install your program onto the network, people will face problems connecting to multi-user, and probably the connection also be slow because too many connections will remain open to your database. So what you want to do is, no matter what, always close this connection. And to do that, I will show you a new block of codes. It's called try catch blocks. You just type try, double tap, and it says try something, and if there is a error, you catch something. Let's just get rid of this. We don't want to catch anything. And then finally, I don't know why it's not here. Finally do this. In this block, what we can do is we try this statement. We try this statement. We open the connection, and we try this command. So we pull it over here, set, let's see, and if something goes wrong, then we need an error message. So we can show the error in message box. Message box dot show, and then anytime this would be the message we say, like some error. So some error will occur and it will show some error, but the connection we want to finally close. What finally close will mean, even if the code executes or even if the code doesn't execute, the connection will always be closed. So let's see if this code works. So we load the combo box, we select data, and there's an error, some error occurred, so the program did not collapse, see, and we can close the program. But if we go to my folder and see, the connection closed, always closes. So that's how you want to program in future. Anyways guys, that's all for this video. We will continue programming. Probably we'll learn about edit statement and delete statement, or probably more about select statement. You can populate the grid and grid view and other thing on our future video tutorials. Thank you.